In terms of the main challenges in the microfinance as a whole, we can say in Cambodia we do not have the very big challenges in the last 5 years or last 4 years, but we have only one thing in terms of the source of funds. So right now the source of fund of microfinance mostly we depend on the fund from outside. So this is the big challenge that we try to convince most of them to provide the loan to the microfinance in Cambodia. And one more thing, the top 8 microfinance in Cambodia, some MFI they start collect the deposit since 2009. Some they just start the deposit from 2012 and 2013. So right now we have to educate the Cambodian people to have the feel confident to the microfinance. MFI can gain the benefit from this, and the customer as well, they can gain the benefit, not just keep the cash at home, and they can gain interest from the microfinance as well. In Cambodia, from my point of view, I do not make concern in terms of the multiple loans because the important thing is the operator. So do they clear about the loan assessment, especially the cash flow analysis of the customers or not? If the microfinance or the operator, they well understand about cash flow analysis and monitoring the customer very well, we do not have any concern about the multiple loan. Currently in Cambodia, we have to access the Credit Bureau Cambodia. So every loan, before we make decision, we need to check the Credit Bureau Cambodia to make sure the customer have how many loan, what is the history of the customer in terms of repayment to the MFI or to the bank. So we can analyze the debt of the customer. And one more thing as well, in the practice of microfinance in Cambodia, we double check, physical check with the authority and with the neighbor as well to make sure that the customer have the capacity to pay back. So for microfinance, especially for LOC Cambodian, we analyze the data sharing from the all MFIs quarterly, and we got the data from Cambodian Credit Bureau to analyze what is the penetration by village. So we can understand how many % saturation in each village. So this is the one mechanism to avoid too big multiple loan or big over indebtedness in the market as well. Credit Bureau Cambodia, they can generate that how many accounts in each village, in each commune. So we can match the number of accounts versus the population or the household. So we can see how many percentage of the people or the household that have already accessed the microfinance or the banks. For the Credit Bureau, we have the data from commercial banks, from specialized banks, and from all the microfinance in Cambodia. Based on the data that we have got from the CPC, we can see around the 5% of the loan customer from the commercial bank overlap with the microfinance. Because in Cambodia, the microfinance, mostly we focus on the small loan, and the commercial bank, they focus on the SME loan. Mostly they start from 50,000 US dollar up. In Cambodia, most of the microfinance, we have the MOU that we do not compete, enemy competition. So we must have the healthy competition, compete to each other very fairly, very transparent. All the CEO of microfinance, we have signed off the MOU. If any problems happens, we always send to the CMA board of directors so we can solve that problem to grow together, not fighting to each others.